Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we're talking about the pre-market listing of the Blum token on Gate.io. For those of you who've been following, I posted yesterday about this exciting update. Gate.io has started offering pre-market trading for Blum tokens. But there's something really important you need to know, so stay tuned as we walk through the platform and check out the details together. Before we dive in, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. All right, let's jump into it. Here's the official Gate.io news page on Telegram, and as you can see, they've launched pre-market trading for Blum tokens. Trading officially began at 1 p.m. UTC on October 16th. Today, we're here to walk you through the process step by step. Let's head over to the platform now. This is Gate.io, and we're going to show you how to access the Blum pre-market event. You'll need to go to your profile. I'll leave a registration link for Gate.io in the description if you're interested. Now click on your profile picture, then go to the Trade section. Look for the Pre-Market Trading tab, and you'll find Blum listed there. Now, here's a crucial point. What you're trading here are Blum points, not the actual Blum token itself. This is a system similar to earning points. The current price for Blum points is $0.006 USDT per point. But as you can see, the price is already climbing to $0.007 USDT. Be careful not to confuse this with purchasing actual Blum tokens. These are points, not the native token. So think of it as buying accumulated reward points rather than the coin itself. So why is Gate.io doing this? Well, even though Blum itself hasn't officially announced a pre-market sale, Gate.io is leveraging Blum rising popularity. The Blum project has been gaining significant attention, and Gate.io is using this to their advantage. It's a bit of a gamble to buy these points, and while this isn't financial advice, it's up to you whether you want to jump in or not. To make a purchase, you'll need a balance in USDT. As mentioned, the price is currently $0.006 USDT per point. Keep in mind, Blum may adjust prices, especially once the token officially lists. For example, if you hold 500,000 points at this price, and Blum later removes some of the zeros from its token, the value could skyrocket. Everyone's hoping that'll be the case, but of course, nothing's guaranteed. I wanted to take this opportunity to explain the situation so that no one rushes into buying these points without fully understanding. Remember, you're buying points, not the actual Blum token just yet. In closing, I just wanted to make sure you all understand what's happening with the Blum pre-market. Don't jump in thinking you're buying the actual token when it's just points for now. Hopefully, we'll hear some great news soon about Blum and other tokens on the platform. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to join the Telegram group to get the daily code and stay updated. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.